Cherry trees are a beautiful addition to any garden, providing delicious fruit and stunning spring blossoms. Their vibrant colors and sweet aroma can transform any outdoor space into a picturesque haven. Growing cherry trees from seeds can be a rewarding experience. It allows you to nurture a tree from its very beginning, watching it grow and flourish under your care. It allows you to participate in the full life cycle of this magnificent tree, from a tiny seed to a mature, fruit-bearing tree. This process can be both educational and deeply satisfying. The first step on this journey is selecting the right cherry seeds. This decision will significantly impact the success of your cherry growing endeavor. There are two main types of cherries, sweet and sour. Each type has its own unique characteristics and uses. Sweet cherries, as the name suggests, produce sweet fruits typically enjoyed fresh. They are perfect for snacking, adding to salads, or simply enjoying straight from the tree. Sour cherries, on the other hand, have a tart flavor often used in baking. They are ideal for making pies, jams, and other delicious baked goods. Your preference for sweet or sour cherries will determine the type of seeds you should choose. Consider what you enjoy most and how you plan to use the cherries. When selecting seeds, it's always a good idea to consider local sources. Local seeds are often better adapted to your specific climate and soil conditions. Seeds from cherries that thrive in your area are more likely to produce trees well suited to your climate. This can lead to healthier trees and more abundant fruit production. Local nurseries and farmers markets can be excellent sources of seeds from locally adapted cherry varieties. These sources often provide valuable advice and support for new growers. Choosing the right cherry seed sets the foundation for a successful growing experience. It's a crucial step that can determine the overall health and productivity of your cherry tree. By considering your taste preferences and local conditions, you can select seeds that will give you the best chance of cultivating a healthy and productive cherry tree. With the right care and attention, your cherry tree can become a cherished part of your garden for many years to come. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own cherries, sharing them with family and friends, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The journey begins with choosing the right seeds, and with patience and dedication, you can create a beautiful and fruitful cherry tree that will bring delight to your garden. Now that you've chosen your cherry seeds, it's time to prepare them for planting. This preparation involves a process called stratification, which mimics the natural winter conditions that cherry seeds need to germinate. Start by collecting fresh, ripe cherries. Eat the juicy flesh and save the stones. Clean the stones to remove any remaining fruit pulp. This is important to prevent the growth of mold during stratification. Once clean, your cherry seeds are ready for the next stage. To stratify your cherry seeds, you'll need a medium that can retain moisture. A mix of peat moss and sand works well, providing good drainage and aeration. Moisten the mixture lightly, ensuring it's damp but not waterlogged. Place your cleaned cherry seeds in the damp medium. Spread them out evenly, ensuring they don't touch. This spacing allows for proper air circulation and prevents the growth of mold. Cover the container with a lid or plastic wrap to retain moisture, and place it in the refrigerator. The ideal temperature for stratification is between 33 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Leave the seeds in the refrigerator for 90 to 120 days, checking periodically to ensure the medium remains damp. After the stratification period, your cherry seeds are ready to be planted. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Cherry trees thrive in well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Plant the stratified cherry seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. Space the seeds a few inches apart to allow for growth. After planting, water the soil gently but thoroughly, ensuring the seeds are well settled. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can suffocate the seeds and prevent germination. Within a few weeks, you should start to see the first signs of life as your cherry seeds begin to sprout. Section 5. The first signs of life. Patience is vital when growing trees from seeds. It may seem like a long wait, but the emergence of those first tiny seedlings makes it all worthwhile. Witnessing the miracle of life unfolding in your garden is a truly rewarding experience. As the seedlings emerge, they'll need plenty of sunlight. If you're starting your cherry seeds indoors, ensure they're placed in a sunny location. A south-facing window is ideal, as it provides the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. If your seedlings are in a location with insufficient sunlight, you may need to supplement with artificial grow lights. Grow lights can help provide the necessary light spectrum and intensity for healthy seedling growth. Section 6. Caring for your cherry seedlings. Once your cherry seedlings have sprouted, they'll need regular care to ensure healthy growth. This includes providing adequate water, nutrients, and protection from pests and diseases. Water your seedlings regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common problem in young seedlings. Check the soil moisture regularly, and water only when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. As your seedlings grow, they'll benefit from fertilization. Use a balanced fertilizer specifically formulated for trees. Fertilize your seedlings every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, following the instructions on the fertilizer package. Section 7. Transplanting your saplings. As your cherry seedlings grow into saplings, they'll eventually outgrow their pots or initial planting location. When the saplings are about 1 to 2 feet tall, it's time to transplant them to their permanent location in your garden. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your sapling. Carefully remove the sapling from its container, gently loosening any circling roots. Place the sapling in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the base of the sapling. Water the newly planted sapling thoroughly to settle the soil and encourage root establishment. Section 8. Ongoing care. With your cherry saplings successfully transplanted, the journey continues with ongoing care and attention. This phase is crucial for ensuring that your cherry trees grow strong and healthy, ultimately leading to a bountiful harvest. Regular pruning, watering, and pest control will help your cherry trees thrive and produce an abundance of delicious fruit for years to come. Each of these tasks plays a vital role in the overall health and productivity of your trees. Pruning helps shape the tree, improves air circulation, and removes dead or diseased branches. This not only enhances the tree's appearance but also promotes better fruit production and reduces the risk of disease. The best time to prune cherry trees is during the dormant season, typically in late winter or early spring. Pruning during this time minimizes stress on the tree and encourages vigorous growth when the growing season begins. Water your cherry trees deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent watering ensures that the roots receive adequate moisture, which is essential for the tree's growth and fruit development. Mulching around the base of the tree can help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. A good layer of mulch also helps regulate soil temperature and provides nutrients as it decomposes. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases that can affect cherry trees. Regular inspections can help you catch any issues early before they become severe. Common pests include aphids, borers, and scale insects. These pests can cause significant damage if not managed properly, so it's important to be vigilant. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preventing significant damage to your trees. Using appropriate pesticides or organic treatments can help keep your cherry trees healthy and productive. Section 9. Common challenges and solutions. Growing cherry trees from seeds is a rewarding but sometimes challenging endeavor. The process requires patience, dedication, and a keen eye for detail. From the moment you plant the seeds, you embark on a journey that can be both fulfilling and fraught with obstacles. Pests, diseases, and environmental factors can pose obstacles to the health and productivity of your trees. These challenges can range from minor nuisances to significant threats that can impact the overall yield and quality of your cherries. However, with knowledge and proactive measures, you can overcome these challenges and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Understanding the common issues and how to address them is key to maintaining a healthy cherry tree. One common challenge is pest infestations. These tiny invaders can cause significant damage if not managed properly. Aphids, for example, are tiny insects that suck sap from leaves, causing curling and distortion. They can weaken the tree and make it more susceptible to other problems. Insecticidal soap or neem oil are effective natural solutions for controlling aphids. Regular monitoring and early intervention can prevent a small problem from becoming a major issue. Another challenge is frost damage, especially during the early stages of growth. Frost can cause significant harm to young trees, affecting their development and future productivity. Protecting young trees with burlap wraps or frost blankets can help prevent damage from unexpected cold snaps. These protective measures can make a big difference in the survival and health of your trees. Root rot, caused by overwatering or poorly drained soil, can also be a problem. This condition can severely affect the tree's ability to absorb nutrients and water. Ensuring proper drainage and avoiding overwatering are essential for preventing root rot. Amending the soil to improve drainage and being mindful of watering practices can help keep your trees healthy. Adjusting your watering schedule based on weather conditions and soil moisture levels is crucial. Using tools like soil moisture meters can help you make informed decisions about when and how much to water, ensuring your cherry trees thrive.